Hey, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering where I am. I'm in my new studio and today I wanted to show you behind the scenes a little vlog about my day, how I'm going to set up my studio, what I have in storage and how I'm going to place it around this room. So let's get started. So let me show you around. You can see I barely have any furniture. I have just my regular things and my pieces. And I brought this rug, and here is going to be my studio. I have my glass display. This is from IKEA and it has a lot of storage. That's what I'm going to do today. And I have this closet where I'm going to put a lot of things. So let's put everything together. So for my studio, I have my box and I wanted this display to be behind me when I'm filming. So what I did is I placed my table, you can see, right in front of this box and in front of the window. And now I'm going to bring a few boxes so I can put it in my display. Okay, so my stuff, I think it's almost all what I have here. Most of this will go into the storage room or a closet, and I'll start probably with this cake dummies and the rest. I need to find place. And another great news, I ordered a couch from IKEA and it's about to be delivered in 15 minutes, so I hope I will get a chance to set everything up today so I can enjoy my new workspace, my new studio. So I'm going to do that. And these are all my cake dummies. I have these are 5, 6, 2 rows of 6, 4, 8, 7 on the left, 8, 10, 12 and a few square ones. So this is my collection. In this bag I have all my tools for my classes, and you can see I have a stack of foam boards, these bottles for my AC tonic, so these are for my in-person classes. All the ball tools here, fluffy brushes, and here is a great way to store your wires. I have extra wires here in all sizes, and this case is from craft store to store large needles, craft needles. And also I love using these egg trays as my petal formers because I can store like 20 of them and they take no space. So this bag with all my tools for my classes also will go into my cupboard. I have my dehydrator tools, and this is a box with all my filming gear with the tripods and everything right here. And here's another idea how to keep things organized. I was looking for my ring light, and you can tell that all my power supply are marked because I have quite a few similar ones. And for my cord management, I love to use this magnetic cords because they are so easy to keep all my cables ready to be used. Okay, so now is the time to put everything together back in its place. I hope I remember where it was. And usually I do keep everything organized. These are just extra flowers. If you watched any of my previous tutorials about traveling with your flowers, it's here. I think I will put these flowers in a closet or somewhere. But things like Wafer, paper scrubs and my tools I will keep close to me. Also, I did labeled everything, so I hope it's not going to take me too long to unpack. All my petal shapers, craft punches. These are my fondant covering tools, extra floral tape, cloth steamer I use for wafer paper, styrofoam balls here. All my pearls and everything is organized in these containers. Here was here. Silicone gel buckets, and as you know, I do reuse them, so these are used and I just bake them in the oven and use again and again. Here's my cart with all my tools. I even found a place to put my printer. And if you watch any of my videos, here are all the tools I have on the side to make flowers quickly. Of course, I have my easy tonic water and like all the basic things. And here in my first drawer, you can see all of them are named. Also my tools, veneers and things I might need right here when I'm working. Second drawer is for my formers, all the foam pots, everything I need to shape my flowers. Next one is for color dust, and I have another video explaining why and how I keep all my petal dust, but that's the palette I use to keep it on my table. I use the sugar art petal dusts and they are here. Fourth drawer is for my wafer paper, and I usually keep two types of wafer paper, 0.22 and 0.27, and also I have a bag with pre-colored wafer paper here. Next one is my current projects or flowers I'm working on today. And you can see they've been in this cupboard even during the delivery and cross-country move. They're totally fine. All of them are still very useful and I'm going to place them on my display. And my last drawer is for my equipment for filming, and usually it's also separated in smaller boxes and organized in some way. Today was a long day and now I have my beautiful sofa and I have my studio. You can see I have my table set up in front of the window because now all I have left is to create beautiful cakes for you. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like it. If you watch till the end, thank you so much for supporting me, for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I'll show you a little bit more about behind the scenes of running my sweet business in the upcoming videos. So see you next week, same time, same place. My name is Astashkina. Bye bye.